How did you sleep last night? Do you feel fresh and full of energy this morning? Or do you feel like a sleepy bear who just wants to go back to bed? Sleep is one of the most important things in your life, but most people do not give it enough attention. They work hard all day, they eat well, they go to the gym, but at night they do not sleep well, and the next day they feel terrible. If you want a happier life and a stronger English brain, you must learn to sleep like a baby. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us begin our calm and dreamy journey into the world of good sleep. What is good sleep? Good sleep is not just closing your eyes for many hours. Good sleep is deep sleep. It is when your body and your brain fully rest. When you have good sleep, your body fixes itself. Your muscles grow stronger. Your skin becomes fresh. Your brain cleans all the bad things from the day. Bad sleep is different. Bad sleep is when you turn in your bed all night. You wake up many times. You have strange dreams. You feel more tired in the morning than before you went to bed. We all want good sleep, but we forget how to get it. The good news is, good sleep is a skill. You can learn it, just like you learn English. With small and simple changes, you can sleep like a small, happy child every night. How many hours of sleep do you need? This is a very common question. Most adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep every night. Children need even more, around 9 or 10 hours. Some people think they can sleep only 4 or 5 hours and feel fine. This is not true. After a few days, the body starts to feel very weak. You become slow. You forget things. You feel sad without any reason. Your immune system becomes weak and you get sick more often. Try to count your sleep hours this week. Are you sleeping enough? If not, you need to make a change. Sleep is not lazy time. Sleep is when your body and your brain do their most important work. Let us talk about your sleep schedule. A schedule means you do something at the same time every day. Your body has a small clock inside. We call it the body clock. This clock loves a routine. Try to go to bed at the same time every night. Try to wake up at the same time every morning, even on the weekend. For example, you can go to bed at 10:30 and wake up at 6:30. After a few weeks, your body will learn this routine. You will feel sleepy at the right time. You will wake up before your alarm clock. You will feel fresh and ready for your day. A regular sleep schedule is the strongest secret for good sleep. It is free and it works very well. Now, let us talk about your bedroom. Your bedroom is your sleep castle. It must be a perfect place to rest. 3 things are very important for a good sleep room. First, your room must be dark. Light is the enemy of sleep. Close your curtains. Turn off all the small lights from your television or your computer. Second, your room must be cool. A cool room helps your body relax. The best temperature is a little cold, not too warm. Third, your room must be quiet. Noise wakes up your brain. Try to keep your room peaceful. If you live in a noisy city, you can use small earplugs. Also, keep your bed only for sleep. Do not work in your bed. Do not eat in your bed. Your brain must learn that the bed means sleep time only. Let us talk about the biggest sleep killer in the modern world. It is your mobile phone. Your phone, your tablet, and your computer make a strong blue light. This blue light tells your brain, "Hello, it is daytime. Do not sleep." Even if you feel tired, this light keeps your brain awake. Many people lie in bed and watch videos for 1 or 2 hours. They scroll on social media, then they wonder why they cannot sleep. The solution is very simple but hard for many people. Stop using your phone at least 1 hour before bed. Put your phone in another room. Do not charge it next to your bed. Buy a small clock, an old-style one. Your sleep will become much better very fast. Try this for only 1 week, and you will see a big difference. What about food and drinks before bed? What you eat and drink at night changes your sleep a lot. The biggest mistake is drinking coffee in the afternoon or evening. Coffee has a strong thing called caffeine. Caffeine stays in your body for many hours. If you drink coffee at 5 in the afternoon, it is still in your body at 11 at night. The same is true for tea, cola, and energy drinks. Try not to drink these things after 2 in the afternoon. Also, do not eat a very big meal before bed. A heavy stomach makes sleep very hard. Have a light dinner. Eat at least 2 hours before you go to bed. A small cup of warm milk or a small herbal tea like chamomile can help you feel calm and ready for sleep. Let us talk about a beautiful bedtime routine. A bedtime routine is a few simple things you do every night before you sleep. This routine sends a signal to your brain. The signal says, "The day is over, it is time to rest." Your routine can be very simple. You can take a warm bath or a warm shower. The warm water relaxes your muscles. You can read a paper book for 15 or 20 minutes. Choose a calm book, not a scary one. You can drink a small cup of warm milk or chamomile tea. You can listen to soft music or a calm podcast like this one. You can do some slow breathing. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this many times. After a few weeks, your body will love this routine and sleep will come easily. What about worries and stress? This is a big problem for many people. You go to bed, you close your eyes, and your brain starts to think. You think about your work. You think about your problems. You think about tomorrow. Your brain becomes a busy office at night. This stops you from sleeping. There is a simple trick for this. Before you go to bed, take a small notebook. Write down all the things in your head. Write your worries, your plans, and your to-do list for tomorrow. When you write things on paper, your brain can rest. The brain says, okay, we wrote it down, we can think about it tomorrow. Also, try to keep your day calmer. Walk in nature, talk to a friend, do something you love. A peaceful day makes a peaceful night. Let us talk about naps. A nap is a short sleep during the day. Are naps good or bad? The answer is, naps can be very good if you do them in the right way. A short nap of 20 or 30 minutes in the early afternoon can give you new energy. It is perfect after lunch. But a long nap of 2 or 3 hours is not a good idea. It will make you feel slow and confused. It will also make it hard to sleep at night. If you cannot sleep well at night, do not nap at all during the day. Save all your sleep for the night. But if your night sleep is good and you still feel tired in the afternoon, a small power nap can be wonderful for your body and your brain. How do you feel after a good night of sleep? It is one of the best feelings in the world. You open your eyes in the morning and your body feels light. Your mind is clear and sharp. You can think very fast. You can solve problems easily at your work. You feel happier. You smile more. You are kinder to your family and your friends. Your skin looks fresh and your eyes are bright. You have a lot of energy to do sports, to cook, and to learn new things. Good sleep makes everything in life better. It is the best gift you can give to yourself. It is also the best gift you can give to the people around you, because when you are well rested, you are a much better person. What if you cannot sleep one night? It happens to everyone. Sometimes you go to bed and sleep does not come. What can you do? First, do not get angry. Anger makes sleep go away even more. Do not look at the clock. Looking at the time makes you stressed. If you cannot sleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed. Go to another room. Do something very boring and calm. Read a slow book in low light. Do not turn on a bright light. Do not look at your phone. After a few minutes, you will feel sleepy again. Go back to your bed and try again. One bad night is not a big problem. Just go back to your normal routine the next day. Your body will catch up on sleep soon. Let us talk about learning English through sleep. Yes, you can learn English even at night. Some people listen to a calm English podcast in bed. The soft voice helps them relax and fall asleep. Even if you do not understand every word, your brain hears the sounds of English. This helps your listening skills over time. You can also write your dreams in English in the morning. This is a fun way to practice writing. Write 3 or 4 simple sentences about your dream. You can also learn many beautiful English words from the world of sleep. Words like pillow, blanket, pajamas, dream, snore, and yawn. Talk about your sleep with friends in English. Ask them, "How did you sleep last night? Did you have any dreams?" Good sleep and good English can grow together every day. We have shared many beautiful tips today. We learned what good sleep really means. We saw that most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. We talked about the magic of a regular sleep schedule. We learned how to make our bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. We understood why our phones are the biggest sleep killer in the modern world. We talked about food, drinks, and a calm bedtime routine. We learned how to handle worries and stress before bed. We also talked about naps and what to do on a bad night. Most importantly, we learned that good sleep can make every part of our life better, including our English. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore the secret of self-confidence and how to feel strong inside in simple English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Sleep well, dream big, and keep speaking English.